And today guys, I'll open all my gifts. This is from Lola Juliet. Let's open it up. It's now open. This is inside. Let's see. It's the one little. I need the scissors.
Yan, open na ba eh.
This is inside. 2 pencils. Hindi ko na kung ano yun.
Sharpener.
A sharpener, a eraser, another eraser, a one watch, and a one wallet. Next. And this is from Lala Lulu. And this is a bag because I already see it. Oh no, she fell down. It's beautiful. Okay, thank you, Lola Lulu. Okay, next. This is from Kuya Junior. Let's see what inside. A one box of color pencils and also one crayons. Something to paint with it. Some rainbows. Let's see what's inside. Oopsie, there's something just fell down. Okay guys, this is sky blue, this is black, this is brown, this is purple, this is white, this is pink, this is orange, this is blue, this is yellow, this is just look yellow green, this is red, this is green. Okay guys, let's put it back in her box.
Ano ba?
Okay guys, this is a drawing book or a coloring book. There's so many pages to color with it. But it's clear so you can draw on it too. Next. open it up. Sinasabi ko nga sa inyo. Tingnan mo. Okay, let's see what's inside of it. Oh, there's a candy. I'll first take out this candy. Size a little bit noisy.
Yep. Tulungan kita. Mag-open ka na ng iba.
Ito na.
Ayan.
Tsaka na nabubuksan. Salay. Sarali ko na. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Wow. You want paper clip? Something like this. Sky blue color, pink color, dark blue, black, brown, and orange. Yeah.
May ganda yan. Yan, ganyan. Hindi tinatanggal ang box.
Oh no, it's a little bit destroyed. Let's see. Tignan, medyo magulo. Mami, tingnan mo. Dalawa na. Magka-partner.
Tapos ito, balik mo siya dito. Para maayos.
Gulat ako.
Ay na, papakita na natin mamaya saan.
Is that a kid? Sabi niyo, where is that a kid? Wait lang, ito pa! Wala na. Ano na to?
Hindi mo, may pangalan.
Sorry.
Galing kanina yun, be.
Hindi ko alam.
Ayan mo na, okay, open mo na. Kahit hindi mo alam. Thank you lang. Thank you ka na lang kung kanina
Thank
galing.
you lang. Sige,
Mag-thank
ito na lang. Kasi hindi ko alam kung kanino. Ano naman?
Okay, open mo na kung walang pangalan. Tingin ko nga, bebe, baka may pangalan. Wala nga, be. Magpa-thank you ka na lang kung kanino galing.
This, I don't know who just give me this gift because there's no name on it. But it's just okay. And thank you from who gave me this. Okay, let's open it up. It was hair accessories. It looks just for the hand. I just put it. And also have this. Ito lang yun. Ito yun. And I also have this.
Wow.
Mga pareho.
Yes, Hello Kitty ponytail.
I like this one. My favorite. I was looking everywhere, but we cannot buy it. Also, this I haven't wanted. Okay.
Pakita mo sa camera. Para makita. Yan. Lapit mo sa camera.
This was one. I liked it so much also. This was My Melody. I also liked it. This is the watch. But this is not coming there. But I liked it.
Mag-open ka na ulit ng bago ba?
But wait a minute. There's two erasers that match.
Hindi, kahit ano na lang, huwag ka lang mamili dyan. Mag-open ka na lang ng regalo.
Namimili pa rin ako kasi gusto ko yung mga ano. Okay, this is from Sophia. This is inside. I already see it because this just broken. This is what both this was pencils. It's so much and I don't know how many it is. Only one bottle.
Hello Kitty tumbler. Pakita mo ba sa camera? Para makita nila.
This is the Hello Kitty tumbler. And this was a My Little Pony pencil.
Ang bilis mo. Yan, open mo na. Yan, basta. Galing ba kanina yan?
This is from Museum.
Alsea.
I'll say it.
Tingin mo ba?
Yeah. Kala ko marami naman.
Ayun, marami siya.
Hindi, maliliit.
Kasi mga ano siya, hair accessories. Pakita
Let's
mo.
see what is first inside of this because I don't know. I think this is a smaller gift. Let's see what is in it. It's a little bit.
Hanapin ko.
There you go.
What's that?
I think it was a bracelet.
Ayusin ka ba?
It's just like a keychain, but it was a bracelet.
Not bracelet. It's a necklace.
Oh. There's a fluffy inside. This is plus. So that means it's always just putting there. Just like this. Just like that. This.
Okay na siya.
Okay.
Letter M.
Letter M and letter A. This was this.
Adali.
Okay, this was another one.
Plenty of hair accessories.
It was so many hair accessories.
Huwag mo na buksan at baka maano. Pakita mo na lang sa camera.
This is all this. There's also some clips. Another one. Now this was the clips.
Pink and
Purple. Pink and purple. But this looks red. And this looks purple. But she's also looking violet.
aging dali.
We already have this, but it's broken. In the olden times, you also buy something like this. Also this. But we don't buy something just like this. Okay, let's put it back at
Paper bag.
this paper bag.
Ano ba? Ako nila ba?
Na. Lug to.
Kapit ka na iba.
Wala na.
Dali.
This is from Ate Isa. Okay, let's open that.
Yan. Good thing. Yan ba ang scissor?
Sahig. Sa
From
ibaba
Ate
lang.
Isa.
Sahig. Sa ibaba.
Baliktad ba ang pagbukas?
Okay lang kasi sira ang ibaba. Wow. I liked it.
It's a dress. Yan ba ganyan?
I liked it. I think it's great to me. It
Like,
is.
thank you, Ate Isa.
Thank you, Ate Isa. I find this even more.
Yan. From, nasa likod ba? Yan. Basahin mo.
It was from Tita Erica.
Ang ganting ba? Erica. Yan ba ang scissor?
I think this is a pink t-shirt.
Dress. It's a dress.
But I want a
Wow,
t-shirt.
it's a pink dress. Yes.
But
Oh.
I want a t-shirt.
Mm.
It's a little
Cute.
bit
Pwede mo siya bing suot pang simba. Di ba?
big. It's a little bit big. If
Kaya
I'm
medyo,
8 years
kaya
old,
medyo
it's
malaki.
now okay.
Okay, mag-open
There's
ka
no
na.
more.
From Yasi.
This is from Yasi. Okay, let's open it up.
Besa dulo.
Wow, there's a hairband. But another one that I already have.
Diyan lang yan. Dali, mag-open ka na nga.
It's a little bit clumsy.
Yellow Hello Kitty ponytail.
But I also have blue.
Yes.
What's
Green. That's green.
green blue? And this
Blue,
is the
green.
bottom is blue. And this is at the top
Blue green.
blue. Or blue.
Di ba? Ang cute.
It's just with flowers.
Dali, mag-open ka na ng bago, be. Masyado na haba ng video.
Baba. Kami na diyan naman.
Yan na ba yung malaki na yan, oh. Yan. From
From Kuya Von. Okay, it's a little bit big. Let's open it up.
sirain mo na, be.
Sabi na, ayaw ko. Bago nilalagyan eh. There's so many things. It was also big. It was this.
Wow, it's so many pencil and eraser.
I liked it so much.
It's not pencil or a color, ano. Wow, it's pencil. Colored pencil with eraser. Colored pencil.
This was their accent also. This was all it. It's a little bit big. And I'm sorry if it's a little bit big also.
Nakapit ka at ba naman?
There's no more. It's a little bit.
Bebo, yan. From?
This is from Gasper. It's just look that in the GMA that is just a ghost that one kid just a
I open.
ghost.
I open.
Wait a minute. I have one like this. It was Hello Kitty. There's blue. And the other times also I have one of clays. There's also color papers.
From?
Boss.
Patingin niya, be. Ah. To Malia from Ate Shirin.
Okay, let's open it up. Yeah.
Ano ba? Buguntahin ko.
Ayun na. Pasko, no? Let's see what... And I think this is now a t-shirt.
Wow, dress.
A color orange dress.
Ah, yes.
It's a little bit small skirt. But you still look at t-shirt. Yeah. Let's see. Is it okay? It's a little bit long. But if I'm 7 years... Oh, I'm already 7 years old.
Ay, open na ito.
Yeah.
From
It was from Ate Princess.
Ate Princess.
Oh. Yeah. Huh? What is this? Oh, it was a tumbler! Just like my mom. Okay, let's see which color that I gonna have. It was pink. Wow! It's also Miriam!
Kanya na to po.
Ah,
Akin to?
yes.
Wow.
Ang cute naman ng tumbler naman.
Akin.
Yes, adali.
Akin.
Akin na. Ang box.
Okay guys, this is from Alonzo. Some color paper.
An added paper. Sharpener.
Huh? A scissors. Even I have now one. Another color pencils. Wait a minute. Another color pencils. Let's see.
Ayan na.
Wait a minute. It's just the same box, but it's not. Uy, sinama mo na.
Okay, dali. Open ka rin ang bago mo.
Lang baka may naman pa. Oo, meron pa.
Ayan, so. Ah, watercolor.
There's watercolor on it.
Pakita mo ba sa camera? Yan. O, walang buksan. Hindi mo ba naman gagamitin? Okay. Okay, open ka na ng bago. Yes.
This is from Fiona Bell.
Yes.
It's full of sandals. This look a Hello Kitty sandal, but it's not. Where's
Color.
the partner?
What's color is that?
It was pink. pink, and the top is just look orange. Yeah. Where's the partner? They all just shake, so they all just mix it up. Okay. What else? Something like this, but it's not Acrox. Pakita mo.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's dirty. And the last one. This is so beautiful.
Yes. From what?
It was from Ally. Eh.
And oh, walang siraan doon.
It's a Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty sleepwear. Yeah.
7 Hello Kitty slipper. This one is a slipwear.
Sleepwear.
Slipwear pajama, but this looks not a slipwear.
Yes.
It's just look a
Pwede
t-shirt.
siyang pang ano,
Pang
pang
simba.
lakad.
Pwede din pang simba.
Yes, pwede din.
Ang laki nito. Ang bigat.
Yan. From
This is from Kuya.
here.
The scissor.
Ano ba?
Oh no.
Yes, kaya mo na?
Yes.
Baka maano ang iyong mata. Malibi ang paggupit mo. Ako na ang magugupit. Ako na ba? Baka maano ang iyong mata. Yan, huwag ko na sira, no?
Ayun. Ayun o. Ayun.
Ako na ba?
Wait lang. Wait lang, mami.
Yeah. Yeah.
Isa pa din.
Katulad siya ng kay.
Ay, isa pa.
Wow. Diba?
Yung isa. Yung
Pakita mo,
one
Be.
na-
Pakita mo ba sa camera? Ito, pareho sila. Galing kay Rowan and kay Care. Diba?
I'm sorry, coloring notebook. I already want now to open it because I really liked it.
This. Yan. Coloring
It's
book.
another coloring notebook. It was full of some cars.
Pony.
Ponies are your cars.
Unicorn.
Unicorn, horse. Just like that.
And sinatabi.
Rapunzel?
No, it's Cinderella.
But my favorite is Rapunzel.
Okay.
How about you, Mommy? You also like Rapunzel? This is from
Ito natin ba? From Tita LG. Sirayan mo na ba? LG. LG.
7 tumblers. Tama?
Yes.
Wait, napakita yung magkapareho. Ay, Mickey Mouse.
Yes.
Mug.
Oh, it's Hello Kitty also.
I thought it was Mickey Mouse. Because look at the design. It's just look Mickey Mouse. This mug, I will be angry with it.
Yes, from
From Tita is
Tita Esther. Lola Esther.
she have this.
blouse.
okay to me.
Yes, it's a blouse.
What else? This is a watermelon
From
Elsie.
Elise.
I want Elsie.
Wow.
Hello Kitty.
Sleepwear.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a ghost.
It's a Hello Kitty pajama.
It looks like a ghost.
Blouse.
I'm a ghost. This is a fire.
From
It was from Lala Beauty.
Lola Beauty and Lola Beat.
Natusok pa ako.
Yeah, baka tusok ka. Ako na rin. Ako natatanggalin ko ba may stapler?
Okay, okay mo. Baka matusok na naman. Okay, kung nagbabi. Okay, nagbabagag.
Wow.
Wow, it looks a mermaid.
A dress. Yes.
I see the mermaid dress. There's another one. Barbie. It has a Barbie.
Barbie. Wow. It's a Barbie. Yeah.
What is this ice cream? This is ice cream.
From kanina galing ba?
From Tita Elf.
Pati.
From Tita
From
Elf.
Ate Nichelle. Ate, sa baba. From Ate Nichelle. Kaya mo na. Sirain mo na, be.
Where's the scissor?
Sirain mo na, be. Yeah, sirain mo na yung...
Open.
Sirain mo na ka na, be.
Yeah.
Ayan. SM Supermarket. Wow! A lot of... What's that?
Kit Kat.
A chocolate. There's a lot of chocolate. Dali.
I want to eat one.
Mom, later, after the vlog. Because you're...
One.
Later.
Yes. I like it.
Wow! It's cute! It's cute. I put it back.
Ang hirap eh.
Wow!
Ito mabigat. Ngayon, scissors. Hindi kalit dito. Meh. Ihulog. Ito pa.
Okay. Open another one.
Whee! Wait a minute. There's another one. How is this? Ako yung natatakot sa ito. Baka ko nga talaga nasira.
Hindi, sirain mo na, be. Ano yung nagbibigay?
I don't know who just gave it to me. But never mind. I'll say to him thank you. 7 squares.
From... walang pangalan kung kanino galing.
Woohoo! Okay, mommy. Please.
Ano?
There's another SM.
From... Ang pangalan ba? Yan. From...
It was from Lala of Elia. Lala Elia.
Lola
Elia.
Nelia. From Lola Nelia.
Pwede din Elia kasi hindi ko nga lang nakita yung
Dahil kabit-kabit ba?
another one.
Wow!
Another My Little Pony.
Pony.
Another
Wow.
My
Okay,
Little
Sophia the
Pony
First.
You know what? I have
Pony.
another pony.
Pony.
And Hello Kitty. Another My Little Pony.
Pony.
Hello Kitty.
And Hello Kitty. Thank you, Lola Nelia. Another one ba?
This one. Oh, I want to Bella. I just
From, pangalan din mo. Ito ba? From, Flor Marie. Klase nito.
Is it Korea? Mommy, your eyes just look creepy. What? Wait a minute.
To watch. Yes, Hello Kitty watch.
Let's open it. I can see it.
Open. To see the design.
It was actually pink.
Wow.
But this one is just a normal pink. It's not clear.
It's Hello
And this
Kitty
is
watch.
another watch.
Hey. From, look, this is from Alexa.
A shark?
What's that? Dili.
They thought that it was a shark.
A large panty.
I don't like that.
Wow! What's this?
I think I
Yan.
have one
Hello
table.
Kitty sleepwear. Yes, isang terno. Ayun pa be.
Wait!
Ayun. Last, ilan pa ba?
Ay, belo ko yun.
From, saan ba? Walang pangalan. Natin kung may pangalan. Natin kung may pangalan.
Tumaliyo lang.
Tumalia from, walang Tumalia from. Ay, sige. Ano na ganun? Walang ang name. Thank you po kung kanina naman galing yan. Okay mo na, be?
Thank you if you just give me this.
Yan.
Oh my god. It's just like a bomb.
Wow, Hello Kitty! Hello Kitty hairband and clip.
Look at
Ano ba? Wow.
Right.
Wow, tanggalin baka mawala. Lagay mo siya dyan.
Bring it back.
Wow.
Bring it back.
Yes. So many hair accessories.
And a hairband. Let's see if it's okay for me. Here, I have one for you. I think it's okay. Oh, there's a little bit more. Oh my god.
Wow, it's Hello Kitty ponytail.
It's just like a My Little Pony.
No, don't.
A Hello Kitty My Little Pony. There's no more. I cannot reach it. I cannot reach it. See?
From, basahin mo ba? From
Marcus.
and Margaret. Ano ba? May stapler. Ako na ba magbubukas? Baka matuto ka. May stapler. Yan o, may stapler ah.
Sige, nag-aalala ako.
Ah, be, baka maano kang pa.
Tatanggalin ko dito.
Baka matusok ka.
Layo ko. Yeah!
What? Oh, pakita mo ba?
Wow!
Hello Kitty sleepwear.
I almost fell down. It
Yeah.
was all my favorite characters in Saria characters. I also like the Kuromi, My Melody, and Hilky.
Yes. Dali, ayun pa ba?
Oh no, they're not red.
Yun lang nag-
So many.
Ano ba? Mahirap. Mahirap buksan.
Ayun.
Nabukas ko.
What
Um,
color is he gonna do? Oh
This
my
is
god, okay.
from Tita Angeline.
Wait a minute.
It's Hello Kitty.
Another
Tumbler
one.
one. Yes, and you have this.
I now have 3 of them.
Yeah.
Oh my god. See,
From, patay mo ba? Kung hindi galing from.
from Fiona Bell.
Wow, Fiona Bell.
Yes.
Maybe
It's
dalawang
okay.
bigay ni Fiona.
Wow. Anak,
Okay.
I just don't want to see that.
It's a
Princess
Hello
Huggy.
Kitty dress. Yes, it's a Hello Kitty dress. Hello Kitty dress. Kasha kay Mommy.
Hey! That's mine!
Okay, it's joke only from
This is from Princess Puggy.
Prince Foggy.
Another one!
Si Princess. Si
I
Prince.
now have 2 of this.
Wow!
Another one.
Yeah. Huwag mo na bubuksan. Para-paraho lang naman naman. Okay lang yun. Para-paraho lang din.
Sira ang lala.
Ang plastic. Eh, okay lang. Wag mo na ano siya kasi para-paraho lang din naman. Kaya lang natin. Hindi mo mauubos.
More left.
Para-paraho silang siya. Shopee. Ate, from ate.
From Ate Angel.
Ate Angel.
From my dinner.
Yes. It's a wow! Hello Kitty!
It's
Lunch
for
box.
my dinner.
Oh dear, for lunch.
And
Lunch.
for
Pero,
dinner.
ala. Malaki nga lang mabilang.
From
Wait, tumbler din kasama.
Bella. Next is
Gato
from
na ako na.
Bella Kelly Latrell.
From Kelly.
I already see it because it's broken. Look at it. Wee.
Wow!
Kuromi, yes!
Kay Kelly.
Oh my god.
Yan yung kaklase si Bella.
Ay, ice cream. Ice cream. Yum, yum, yum.
Yan. Yeah.
Hey, sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just okay. No more gifts.
From Ate Princess. Nabuksan na. Ano ba? Wala na.
Yes.
Yes. Is and
Oh my god, it's a little bit messy. Thank you from all that gift, and thank you for all that art accessories. And goodbye. Goodbye everyone. Thank you for watching.